Hello, welcome back to our channel, My Win family. Today we have for you guys a JAYEGT professional photography turntable. It's a LED light rotating display stand. We're gonna use this for our future videos, so it just look a lot nicer. Let's open this up and see what we got inside and take a look. All right, so here's the box. Got two options for colors, black and white. This is the black one. Let's open this up. All right, so looks like all the stuff is right here. Got a remote. Put that aside. Looks like instruction booklet. Here's a turntable. I think that's the power core, I think. Yep, here's the jerking cube and the core. Check that out. Yeah, and that is it. Let's take this out and see what we got. Well, this is everything that's in the box. That's it. Now let's lay it out, charge it up, and see how this works. All right, so the remote used two AAA batteries. Went ahead and put that in there already. Looked like it has a load of less than 20 kilograms. That's about 44 pounds, which is actually pretty decent. So let's hook this up and see how this works. I look like all the ports over here, including the power button. All right, so we hooked this up to a power bank real quick, just because it just came out of the box, so it's not fully charged yet. So we're using the power bank as a power source right now, just to make it work. Look like if you turn the power button on to the left, it's gonna spin to the left. If you turn it to the middle, it goes off. Go to the right, it spins to the right. And there's a little dial right over here. You can increase the speed. Not sure what this button do. Push, oh, change colors. Like this is like a amberish color. The lighting's kind of distorted a little bit, so kind of hard to tell. That's red. Purple, you see the reflection there, because due to the angle, it's kind of hard to see. Blue. And this is the color of changing as it spins. And then turning the lights off, light back on, etc. Obviously, we don't have to use our hands because there's a remote, because all these function works with a remote as well. All right, so we turn the lights off and let's see what it looks like in the dark. Yeah, look, there's our white light, amber, red, purple, blue, and it's the color gonna change as it goes. And off. All right, now we're gonna test it out with our Mandalorian helmet. Spinning to the right, spinning to the left. different colors. Yeah, I think the colors are more suited for action figures. The blue looks really cool. All right, so that is pretty much it. It is what it said it is. It's pretty much a spinning turntable with lights. It works great. It looks great. And I'll be using it for our future videos very soon. So look forward to that. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked that.